what would happen would be a person might find an employer identification number that would go to the IRS. A person may actually take a part-time job with a company that has multiple operations in North Carolina and other places, then fill out dummy W-2 forms with that employer taxpayer identification number on it, either use phony social security numbers or actually acquire a federal tax ID number, which you can do if you don't have a social security number, and then file these fraudulent tax returns, claim a number of exemptions, and then get a refund. And from what we have found, the federal government rarely checks to see if these returns are legit before it sends out payment to people.
It sounds rather easy the way you've described it, which is a scary notion considering that we're all paying in our income taxes and we're trying to abide by the law. We're filing the forms, the returns, doing everything that we think we need to do, and yet there could be people who are just making up fake forms and getting refunds?
Yeah, that's very easy to do, as it turns out. As long as you're willing to not be stationary for very long, as long as you're willing to move along. When you have, in the case of some of the people in Clinton, they were having the refund checks sent to a U.S. post office box there. So you'd have to have someone who was willing to basically not use a physical address. Or from other reporting we found, people would use actual physical addresses at which they did not live and simply rifle through the mailbox there at that location before the homeowner came and picked up mail daily and have checks sent there, either state or federal refund checks. So it's something that's actually fairly simple to do.